Right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing good. And in today's video, we shall gonna talk about the Nairobi Expressway. As you are aware, the Nairobi Expressway is actually a project for President Uhuru Kenyatta. The project was built by Chinese. So, the project is actually a world-class project here in Africa and also around the world. With this project, it has made us as Kenyans proud and also we can appear on the world-class map. Now, I just want to give you some very important information concerning the use of the Nairobi Expressway. As you are aware, in order to use the Nairobi Expressway, one has to pay at least 300 Kenyan shillings, which is approximately $3. And the reason behind that is that the Chinese are the ones responsible for constructing the road and using their own money. Now, the Chinese will operate the road for a period of 27 years in order to collect fee and in order to also pay back their own money they used to finance the project. So it's a win-win situation and there is nothing to get worried concerning that one. Previously, most of Kenyans had actually given concerns that why should the common mwananchi pay at least 300 shillings to use the road, even though they have paid their taxes. And so there are a lot of questions concerning that. And given the fact that life right now is giving us proper character development, and there were concerns actually to make that price go down or at least to become favorable for us as Kenyans. So I will not waste much time talking about that one. I just want to show you about some of the information including registration, how to apply for your card, and also some of the requirements or say some of the dangers which have been set aside by the body responsible for managing the road, including penalties. Yeah, you must know all those. And without wasting much time, let's just check about how to apply for your card. Alright, now I just want you to just open your favorite browser and on the search bar, so I'm using Google Chrome, just search for Nairobi Expressway.ke, and this link also you can find it in the description. So just follow the link and you will find yourself in this beautiful website of Nairobi Expressway. And as you can see here, it says find your way, so you can click here if you want some directions. So this is the map. If you want clear directions to go to somewhere, so there is a map to help you for that. Right, now another very important information you need to know is the payment options. Now there are three payment options, which are the etc service, MTC card, and the cash payment. Now I will just discuss a bit about the meaning of etc service. etc means actually electronic toll collection service. So what does this mean? It's an automatic way of actually you paying your fee charges. So to apply for an etc card, it's just as easy as 1, 2, 3. So this is the registration process for etc service. The first procedure is that one has to physically visit the Nairobi Expressway office, which are actually situated around the Mombasa Road. Now, The first is that you need to actually just avail yourself physically at the Nairobi Expressway offices, and also the needed documents include your ID and then your passport, and you will be required to pay a service fee which is just 100 Kenyan shillings. And the next step is the installation of OBU device on your vehicle. So this OBU device is responsible for detecting your your ETC card. It will just automatically detect the fee charges. And lastly, you just need to purchase the toll points and load to the onboard unit OBU device. Okay, let's check for the MTC card. MTC in full is manual toll collection card. The first thing you need just to do is just visit the Nairobi Expressway offices, which are just situated along the Mombasa Road opposite General Motors. The procedure to apply for the MTC card is as simple as ABC. First thing, visiting the offices, and then just fill in the details of the form for the MTC subscriber registration form, and then a service fee of 300 Kenyan shillings is applied. And next thing is just you need to purchase toll points, which you will just use to pay for using the Nairobi Expressway. Now, with the use of the manual toll collection card, is that you will be carrying, and you will be just be tapping, and the fees will just be deducted. Now, this is the Nairobi Expressway website, and let's just try to apply for the ETC service. So it will just take you to customer.nairobiexpressway.ke. Now just wait for the page to load, and this is it. Here you just need to create an account. In case you already have an account, just log in, and here I will just demonstrate how to create an account. So first thing, you need to select the account type. Is it individual or corporate? So for us it's individual, and then you will be required to enter your details, including your first name, middle name, last name, gender. Then you select the document type. Is it your national ID or the passport number? And then you will also need to be required to enter your mobile number and also key in a password. So basically that's the information that are needed in order for you to apply for a card. Another important information, ladies and gentlemen, is that there are also some penalties you will be forced to pay in case you break the property for the Nairobi Expressway. So I will just quickly show you the penalties which will cost you. And for example, the damage of the cantilever variable information board will cost you 8.8 million. The damage of ticket issuing machine will cost you 1.9 million Kenyan shillings. So I will not go through all of them. I will actually leave an article link in the description so that you can follow and also you can stay safe. Just find the link in the description for this article. It will explain to you everything in details. Ladies and gentlemen, I do hope that this video has helped you, and I just need you to take only 2 seconds, give it a like to this video and thumbs up, and also most importantly I need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is our channel where we share ideas, and it's your channel, it's my channel, we share cool stuff. I just wanna wish you a good and lovely day.